What's going on, everybody? AK Meraki here, and today we are at the house of one of the most creative individuals I've ever known. So let's get to it. So the owner of this property used to be a European antique dealer for the last 30 years. He's now taken all that knowledge and now builds some of the most unique and creative pieces of furniture around. So you're probably wondering, who owns this place? Who created all this stuff? I want you to meet him. He's very special to me. Everyone, this is Dad.
Hi.
Hi. My father never stops working. They just don't build them like they used to. Hercules, Hercules. There are just so many pieces, unique pieces. I mean, look at this bike. It's completely made out of cane. Remarkable. Okay, so it's getting close to sunset and Dad's taking me to this Wuta lookout, which is near a national park. It's going to overlook everything, so hopefully get some really awesome drone shots for you. So I'll be with you very shortly.
Hello, Mr. Hello.
So we're just stopping at the petrol station to put air in the tyres because we might not make it.
We'll make it. We go on flat tyres.
We'll go on flat tyres. About a half-hour drive on a dirt road to the top of the hill. This is the start.
Too much fun.
Too much fun. One of the hilarious bits about this place is there's just little things like this guy everywhere. If you look up, another one of them just there. I found another one. He's just popping there. There he is. Hello, mate. So if you haven't probably noticed, I've literally just jump cut straight to the morning. Went out for dinner last night and I don't think it was really necessary for me to film it, chicken parmigiana. So here we are, I guess. Good morning, good morning. Anyway, the old man is still asleep, so I'm not going to go wake him up. It's been such a pleasure coming here. I very rarely get to see my dad. And that place he took me to last night on top of the hill, that was so much fun. So if you've been watching a lot of my videos, you'll know that I end up staying at a lot of Airbnbs. And at the end of every video, I give a little creative review. But this time, it's a little different. Because this is not an Airbnb. This is my dad's place. So there'll be no need for a review. Because at the end of the day, my father's work speaks for itself. But that'll be all today, guys. Thank you for tuning in and meeting Dad. I can't wait to see you in the next one. Bye for now.